new profit sharing ratio. Since all partners sacrifice a share of their profit in favor of the new partner, there arises a need to ascertain the new profit sharing ratio among the partners. So why do we have to calculate new profit sharing ratio? Because the old partners are sacrificing their share of profit. This we have learnt under the heading sacrifice ratio. How exactly partners sacrifice their share of profit to the new partner. Therefore, there is a need to ascertain the new profit sharing ratio among the partners. So let's work out a simple problem on new profit sharing ratio. Question number 1. A and B are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit C into the partnership for 1/6 share in the profits. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So as per the question, A and B are partners and their old ratio is 3:2. So 3:2 means 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, which will be 3/5 for A and 2/5 for B. So this is their profit sharing ratio. Now C is coming into the partnership for 1/6 share. Let's calculate new profit sharing ratio. C is admitted for 1/6 share, which is given in the question. Now, if 1/6 share is given for C, what will be the share of A and B? For this, we need to calculate the remaining share. So let us assume 1. 1 is the share. In this 1/6 is given for C. So how much will be given for A and B? We need to calculate. So let us write it like this. 1/1. We will assume this as 1/1. So hence I have written it as 1/1 minus 1/6. 1/6 is given to C. We know the denominators are not same in order to minus directly. So what will be the LCM? 1 into 6 is 6. So let's directly multiply this with 6. So 1/6 are 6. 1/6 are 6. Okay. So I will get 6 minus 1 divided by 6. So what will be the final answer? The remaining share will be 5/6. So this 5/6 will be shared between A and B as their profit of the firm. There is a formula to calculate the new profit sharing ratio, that is old profit sharing ratio into remaining share. What is old profit sharing ratio? That is 3:2 into remaining share. We have just calculated remaining share as 5/6. So let's calculate for A. A's share is equal to old profit sharing ratio is 3/5 into remaining share is 5/6. Since we are doing multiplication, we can directly multiply. 3 5s are 15. 15 by 5 into 6 is 30. So 15/30. Now let's calculate for B. B's share is equal to, what is B's share? It is 2/5. 2/5 into remaining share is 5/6. Again we will multiply directly. 2 5s are 10. 5 6 are 30. So 10/30. Now we will do for C. They have already given for C as 1/6 share in the profit. So C's share by 6. However, it is not matching with 30. So what we need to do? We need to multiply. If I multiply this with 5, okay, I'm going to get the denominator as 30. So what will be the answer now? It will be 5 ones are 5. 5 divided by 30. So I have multiplied with 5. Now we have got the new profit sharing ratio, that is 15 by 30, 10 by 30 and 5 by 30. So let us write it as new profit sharing ratio is equal to 15 by 30 is to 10 by 30 is to 5 by 30. Or I can write it as, since the denominators are same, I will strike off 30. The ratio is 15 is to 10 is to 5. Now I can still simplify. Okay, is divisible by 5. So I will multiply this as 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. So the ratio, the final ratio that we will get is 3 is to 2 is to 1. So the new profit sharing ratio of A, B and C is 3 is to 2 is to 1. Question number 2. A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses in the proportion of 2 by 8, 3 by 8 and 3 by 8. They admit D for 1/4 share. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of all partners. Students, this time the presentation of the question is slightly different. Let me explain. You will understand very easily. The question says 2 by 8 is for A, 3 by 8 for B and 3 by 8 for C. If I add all this, I will get the answer as 8. So A's share is 2 by 8, B's share is 3 by 8 and C's share is 3 by 8. D is coming in for 1/4 share in profit. We need to calculate NPSR. Let me write it as D is admitted for 1/4 share. Remaining share we need to calculate. That will be 1 minus 1 by 4. Why 1? I have assumed it as 1 rupee is the share in profit, out of which 1/4 is given for D. So therefore I need to calculate the remaining share. So remaining share, for you to understand, I have just written as 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 4. Okay, so the answer will be 4 minus 1 divided by 4. I have just taken the LCM and I have done this fraction. The answer is 3 by 4. Now let's write the formula. NPSR is equal to old profit sharing ratio into remaining share. Old profit sharing ratio is given in the question, 2 by 8, 3 by 8 and 3 by 8. Whereas remaining share for all the partners will be 3 by 4. Let's start from A. A's share is equal to, A share is, old profit sharing ratio is 2 by 8 into remaining share is 3 by 4. 2 3s are 6, 8 4s are 32. 6 by 32. B's share is, B and C, if you observe, both of their shares are same, 3 by 8 and 3 by 8. And now let me explain B's share. Old profit sharing ratio is 3 by 8 into 3 by 4. That's the remaining share is equal to 3 3s are 9, 8 4s are 32. So 9 divided by 32. The same calculation holds good for C as well. So C's share is 3 by 8 into remaining share 3 by 4 is equal to 9 divided by 32. They admit D D is coming in for 1/4 share. So D share is 1 by 4. But if you observe, the denominators does not match with D's share. So let's multiply D's share. If I multiply with 8, okay, 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 32. Now the denominator will be same. So 8 divided by 32. So what will be the profit sharing ratio? NPSR is equal to 6 by 32 is to 9 by 32 is to 9 by 32 is to 8 by 32. So since all the denominators are same, let's cut off all the denominators. The final answer will be 6 is to 9 is to 9 is to 8. Fine. Now this is your assignment question. Work out this problem in your notes. You can also cross verify with your final answers. And the final answer should be 12 is to 8 is to 5.